So now we'll practice doing 1 point perspective sort of landscape or a road. We can even add some buildings. So if we want to add a road, it's pretty straightforward. We just use our vanishing point to make 2 lines. But then we need to add some details along this road to add some interest. So as we might decide we want to add some buildings, those will be vertical lines. And you can have some of your vertical lines going above the line or below the line, but any lines that go above the horizon line need to connect up with the vanishing point. So if this is going to be one building, I need the second line to connect up with my vanishing point at the top. To make the front of this building, I'll do a horizontal line at the top, and I can do a vertical line down to the bottom. And then I would go back and erase my horizon line and the extra vanishing line. And I could go in and add more details to this building, like windows, doors, etc., if I wanted to. And if I wanted to continue doing buildings along this road, if I wanted any of them to be shorter than this building, then my vanishing line at the top can just go below the horizon line. And a horizontal line behind it will give it that illusion that that building is going behind this building in the foreground. You could also add details like light posts along, remembering that you'd want them to be smaller as they go into the distance. So you could even do a very light vanishing line as you create little light posts coming into the foreground. They would need to line up the tops of them with the top of your vanishing line so that they're the appropriate height as they come through this road. This building is quite tall because it would be larger than these light posts. And then you could add other buildings if you wanted to. You could add a sidewalk. So a sidewalk would of course be in front of the building. So this would be like your little sidewalk. You could add something in the background. To mountains. So I'll just add a couple more buildings on the left side and then I'll let you try it out. For this one, you might want to do a full page just to give yourself some more space to work. Otherwise, it might be a little bit tricky to add in the details. Okay, so that will be your 1 point perspective buildings practice. I don't want you to spend too much time on this, maybe about 20 minutes.